Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to explore a philosophy that has helped people find peace, resilience, and wisdom for centuries: Stoicism. Founded by Zeno of Citium around 300 BC, this philosophy has attracted great minds such as Seneca, Epictetus, and the Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius. Despite its ancient roots, Stoicism is more relevant than ever to our modern lives. Have you ever found yourself anxious or worried about things that are beyond your control? Or perhaps you struggle to deal with challenging situations and stay calm in the midst of chaos? Stoicism can be the key to transforming these moments of distress into opportunities for growth and serenity. In today's video, we'll unravel the fundamental concepts of Stoicism and explore how this philosophy can be a powerful tool for improving your mental health. From practicing acceptance to negative visualization, you'll discover how small adjustments to your mindset can bring big benefits to your daily life. Get ready for a journey of self-discovery and transformation. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of Stoicism and will know how to apply its principles to cultivate a calmer and more resilient mind. Before you do, subscribe to the channel and continue receiving more videos like this. So, let's dive together into this ancient philosophy and discover how it can help us face life's challenges with courage and wisdom. The Stoics believe that the key to a virtuous and happy life lies in the four core values: wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. These values are the pillars that support Stoic philosophy and guide us towards a life of balance and purpose. Wisdom is the ability to discern what is good, bad, or indifferent. For the Stoics, it is essential to seek the truth and act in accordance with knowledge. Wisdom helps us make better decisions and understand the nature of things, contributing to a clearer and calmer mind. Courage involves facing challenges and adversity with firmness and bravery. It is not just about heroic acts, but also about facing inner fears and acting according to our convictions, even in difficult situations. Courage gives us the strength to persevere and maintain our integrity. Justice is the value that encourages us to treat others with equity and respect. It is the practice of acting fairly and ethically, considering the common good. Justice promotes healthy and harmonious relationships, contributing to a more cohesive and supportive society. Temperance is the virtue of moderation and self-control. It is about balancing our desires and passions, avoiding excesses, and seeking inner harmony. Temperance helps us stay focused on our goals and live according to our values, avoiding the extremes that can lead us astray. Understanding and practicing these four values allows us to live a fuller and more balanced life. One of the central principles of Stoicism is the dichotomy of control. This concept teaches us to distinguish between what we can control and what is beyond our control. Understanding this distinction is essential to achieving peace of mind and serenity. Stoics believe that we can only control our own actions, thoughts, and attitudes. In contrast, external events, such as the actions of others, the weather, or unforeseen events, are beyond our control. By focusing on what we can control and accepting what we cannot, we can significantly reduce stress and anxiety. This distinction helps us deal with difficult situations more effectively. For example, if we are faced with unfair criticism, we can control our response to that criticism, but we cannot control the critic's opinion. By accepting this reality, we save emotional and mental energy, avoiding unnecessary frustration. Adopting this mindset is an ongoing process that requires practice and reflection. Stoic techniques, such as daily self-assessment and meditation, can help us internalize this dichotomy and apply it to our daily lives. Over time, we become more resilient and able to face challenges with calm and clarity. Acceptance is one of the fundamental pillars of Stoicism and plays a crucial role in fostering serenity. Accepting what we cannot change frees us from frustration and unnecessary suffering. This does not mean passive resignation, but rather a deep understanding of the limitations of our influence and a focus on what we can control. The practice of acceptance can be particularly helpful in dealing with anxiety. When we focus on accepting external circumstances and letting go of the need to control them, we reduce the mental and emotional burden we carry. This shift in perspective allows us to approach challenging situations with calm and clarity. One effective Stoic technique is daily reflection. At the end of each day, we can take a moment to reflect on the events that have occurred and evaluate our response to them. Asking ourselves, was there anything I could have controlled or changed, helps reinforce the dichotomy of control and acceptance of what is beyond our control. In addition, Stoic meditation, where we focus on accepting reality as it is, can help us cultivate serenity. By practicing acceptance regularly, we learn to deal with life's ups and downs with a calmer, more resilient mind. Negative visualization is a Stoic practice that may seem counterintuitive at first, but it has a profound impact on our mental health. This technique involves imagining negative scenarios that could happen in our lives, not to worry, but to prepare ourselves emotionally and appreciate what we have. By visualizing potential challenges, such as losing a job, falling out with a friend, or experiencing a health problem, we become more resilient and less susceptible to emotional shock when faced with real adversity. This helps us better cope with the unexpected and stay calm in difficult situations. In addition, practicing negative visualization makes us more deeply appreciative of the good things we have in the present. When we imagine what life would be like without certain people, objects, or circumstances, we learn to value and be grateful for them. This gratitude contributes significantly to emotional and mental well-being. To practice negative visualization, set aside a few minutes each day to reflect on possible adverse scenarios. Ask yourself, what could go wrong, and how would I handle this? Then, imagine yourself facing these challenges with calm and courage. Over time, this practice will become a powerful tool for coping with fear and anxiety. Incorporating Stoic practices into your daily routine can transform the way you face challenges and live your life. Small daily exercises can help you internalize Stoic principles and stay calm and focused even in difficult situations. One of the simplest and most effective exercises is morning meditation. When you wake up, take a few minutes to reflect on the day ahead. Think about the challenges you may face and visualize yourself dealing with them in a Stoic way, with serenity and courage. This practice prepares your mind to face the day in a more balanced way. Another exercise is the evening self-assessment. At the end of the day, reflect on your actions, thoughts, and reactions. Ask yourself, did I act in accordance with my Stoic values today? What could I have done differently? This daily practice helps you identify areas for improvement and reinforce positive behaviors. Nature contemplation is another valuable practice. Take time to observe and appreciate the nature around you, whether it's a park, a tree, or the starry sky. This practice reminds us of our connection to the universe and the transience of things, fostering a sense of peace and humility. Finally, the practice of gratitude is essential. Take a moment each day to reflect on the things you are grateful for. This helps to cultivate a positive mindset and appreciate what you already have, contributing to mental health and overall well-being. Are you enjoying the content? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The Stoic perspective on death is one of the most challenging and transformative in philosophy. The Stoics believed that facing the fear of death is essential to living a full and meaningful life. Rather than avoiding or fearing death, the Stoics encourage us to accept it as a natural and inevitable part of existence. For the Stoics, Death is not something to be feared, but rather a reminder of the preciousness of time and the importance of living according to our values. Marcus Aurelius, in his Meditations, often reflected on the transience of life and the need to live in the present. This acceptance helps us appreciate each moment and focus on what truly matters. In addition, the Stoics viewed death as a return to nature. Like all living beings, we are subject to the natural cycle of life and death. Acknowledging this reality can help us find peace and reduce anxiety related to the end of life. Practicing contemplation of death, known as memento mori, is a powerful Stoic technique. Taking time to reflect on our mortality helps us maintain perspective and appreciate our daily experiences more deeply. This not only strengthens our emotional resilience, but also encourages us to live by our principles and cultivate a life of virtue. Stoic principles are extremely useful for improving our personal and professional relationships. Stoic philosophy teaches us to treat others with fairness, respect, and compassion, which is essential to building healthy and lasting connections. One of the key concepts is the practice of empathy. By trying to understand the other person's perspective and motivations, we can better deal with conflicts and avoid hasty judgments. This allows us to respond more calmly and rationally, promoting more effective and harmonious communication. Acceptance also plays a crucial role in relationships. Accepting that we cannot control the actions and feelings of others helps us avoid frustration and disappointment. Instead, we focus on our own response and how we can act in a constructive and positive way. Applying the virtue of justice in our relationships means treating everyone with dignity and respect, regardless of the circumstances. This creates an environment of trust and mutual respect, which is essential for peaceful and productive coexistence. In addition, temperance, or moderation, helps us maintain emotional balance and avoid overreactions. Practicing self-control and patience in times of conflict allows us to resolve problems more effectively and maintain harmony in relationships. By applying these principles, we can build and maintain stronger and healthier relationships, contributing to our emotional and mental well-being. For Stoics, the practice of virtue is the path to a fulfilling and happy life. Virtue, in Stoicism, is synonymous with moral excellence and acting in accordance with our core values. It is believed that true happiness can only be achieved by living a virtuous life. Wisdom guides us to make correct decisions and act in accordance with true knowledge. This practice helps us face challenges with clarity and avoid mistakes that can harm our mental health. The pursuit of wisdom is an ongoing process of learning and reflection. Courage allows us to face fear and adversity with determination. Practicing courage does not mean the absence of fear, but rather the ability to act according to our convictions despite fear. This strengthens our emotional resilience and helps us overcome obstacles. Justice involves treating others with fairness and respect. Acting justly fosters healthy relationships and an environment of trust and cooperation. This contributes to a sense of community and mutual support, which is essential for mental well-being. Temperance helps us maintain balance and moderation in our desires and actions. Practicing temperance prevents excesses and harmful behaviors, promoting a more harmonious and balanced life. This directly reflects on our mental health, allowing us to live in accordance with our values and priorities. By practicing these virtues daily, we cultivate a life of integrity and purpose. This not only improves our mental health, but also helps us face life's challenges with greater confidence and serenity. And this is the end of our video on Stoicism and mental health. We hope this journey through Stoic principles and practices has been enlightening and inspiring for you. Stoicism offers us valuable tools to face life's challenges with serenity, courage, and wisdom. remember that true transformation comes from constant practice. Incorporating these concepts into your daily life can bring significant improvements to your mental health and overall well-being. Whether it's reflecting on what you can control, practicing acceptance, or cultivating gratitude, every small step makes a difference. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos. Please share this with friends and family who might benefit from this philosophy. And of course, we love hearing your thoughts and experiences. Leave a comment below and tell us how Stoicism has impacted your life. Thank you for following us so far, and we hope you continue this journey of self-knowledge and personal development. See you in the next video.